Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Today I'm building a boom pole that my girlfriend was kind enough to bring back from Canada. It was actually super heavy and super big, so she ditched the packaging, she ditched the instruction manual, and I just got some bits and pieces and had to figure out how to build it. So this is me slugging it out. A boom mic. I don't know what that is either, but it's a suggested thing you get when you get a microphone. Apparently, I think in my head, it's like a tripod and it can lean over and you can have your microphone pointing down, which I think would be great considering I'm in a two-story room and there's a lot of echo. I'm always battling echo. So, let's see how this one is. Uh-oh. What is all this stuff? Okay, that's confusing to me. Oh, but there's pictures. That'll help me. And there's bits and bobs. Oh, and a swivelly thing. And it's really heavy, actually. Okay. Oh. Hola, music. This was only like $36 on Amazon. If I buy them here, it's 100 and something. So I was like, clearly. Oh, does this come out all the way, I wonder? Okay, I just took that out. I don't know if I'm supposed to. I did. I don't know any of this stuff. So weird. Oh, this twists up. Okay, I get it. Okay, so that, how did it stay up? That I don't understand. You turn it? No. Oh, look, the legs, you can move them out completely. How come I can't move this one out? Oh, then it locks it. Oh, that's the locking leg. Okay, so now that's locked. Okay, so that has to go on the ground. Let's just say that's on the ground. Hello, where's the rest of you? Oh, does this go in there now? Oh, I guess I could look at the picture. Okay, hold on. Lock, unlock, lock. Okay, yeah, I got it. Do you think this goes in there? Oh, I have an idea. Look, there's another piece. There's this connector thing. It's like a Christmas tree, right? So I would put, what would I do? Nope, I would go like this, right? So that's at the bottom. Oh, and then I connect it. Do you think? Is it working? I'm just turning it. It's turning forever. Oh, maybe it's these things I'm supposed to use. But then how does this thing fit on? Oh my gosh. Okay, here's a thingy. Here's a thingy. There's a threaded thing there. Oh, this thing's really tall now. Okay, hold on. What is going on? It's really tall now, but it's wobbly. I might have to like download the manual. See how wobbly? You can't see. See? That's not right. Something ain't right. Okay, pause video. Pause game. Uh-oh. I feel like we need to be playing the theme of Jeopardy. I have it generally connected, but now this bit is not strong. This is wobbly. So I think I have to fight those two things together. Or put in a washer. There's a washer here. And these bits are flexible. You think I'm supposed to like push it and shove it inside the other one? so that is together now. I'm cool with that. It's coming along. This, I think I could fish. If I can build this, I think I could build a fishing rod. It seems very similar. Okay. Okay, so that's together. This thing's bloody heavy. That's the top of it. Maybe I can put it back here. Oh yeah, and then the microphone goes on this part and points down. Okay, so now we're gonna try that. Okay, I don't know about this either. Oops, you can see it. Oh, so you don't want that. Hold on. Up. Right, it's tight. Battery's almost dead. Turning it, angling it. Not joking, that was a feat of strength. Like I need to take a break, get some nourishment, but I'm so proud of myself, nailed it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and stay hooked. Hi, this, good Lord. Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. What is the name of my video? I can't just call it Boom Pole. That won't work out.